Affiliate marketing techniques that will get you the targeted traffic that you need. Since there are so many programs available for people out there seeking to work from home, many individuals simply pass over the idea of being an affiliate marketer. However, some of the most successful business people on the internet are working as affiliates. When you want to learn about marketing, this video contains some great tips you can use. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, be sure to clearly spell out the benefits of the product in your video. Don't expect your readers to do the legwork for themselves based on your recommendation. Tell them directly why they should buy the item and they're more likely to do it. If you are thinking of adding affiliate marketing to your site, do some comparison shopping. Not all programs are created equal, and many you have to find yourself. Check with your favorite vendors and see if they have a program you can sign up for. Loving the product you are selling is the key to making others want it too. The prudent website owner will take an affiliate's reputation into consideration when he or she decides whether or not to work with the affiliate. Regardless of the potential profits or the sales potential of the affiliate's products, an affiliate that is tough for customers to deal with will reflect poorly on the webmaster. As an affiliate marketer, only recommend products you trust to people. The first thing you should do when marketing any product is to at least read up on it and find out the true information. If not, test the product out for yourself. If it is a garbage product that you're promoting, your name could be ruined before you get off the ground. The amount of knowledge you'll need, in order to become a successful affiliate, is vast, to say the least. A few tips, while they'll ultimately allow you to get your feet wet, are not going to turn you into a millionaire. Exercise the info you've learned here and work your way up the affiliate ladder. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.